Hello, friends. Happy Tuesday morning. Kyiv is attacked by Iranian-made drones. Russia attacked Ukraine's capital yesterday with Iranian-made drones, continuing its campaign of strikes against Ukrainian energy infrastructure and civilian targets. The attacks came during morning rush hour, killing at least 4 people. The strikes highlighted Russia's growing use of the Iranian-made self-destructing drones, which make a buzzing sound like a moped or a lawn mower and explode on contact. The Shahed 136 drones have a range of about 1,500 miles and carry warheads of about 80 pounds, but are slow and easy to target. Western analysts say their use is a sign Russia's stocks of precision missiles are running low. Iran has officially denied supplying Russia with drones for use in Ukraine, but US officials have said that the first batch of such weapons was delivered in August. Ukraine's Air Force said that Russia had fired 43 of the drones yesterday, but that 37 were shot down by air defense systems. Ukraine called on the European Union to punish Iran with sanctions for supplying Russia with the drones. The targets in yesterday's strike included the headquarters of Ukraine's national energy utility and a municipal heating station, and they signaled Russia's aim of crippling power and other key services as winter looms. Thanks to